Hi all, I am Meenakshi, Assistant Professor of Department of Computer Applications from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we saw the concept of drawing and working with animations. And the drawing app has support to following things. Draw. Users will be able to draw on a blank canvas. Erase. User will be able to erase what has been drawn. Use undo. Users will be able to undo and redo drawing path. Color. Users will be able to draw using a color of the choice from at least these colors: black, gray, light gray, blue, red, green. Share. Users will be able to capture the screenshot and email it to a friend. This is a basic concept. How to create a paint applications for Android to draw on a screen with the finger. Draw path with finger on a screen, normal mode, enforce mode, and blur mode. Clear option to remove all path on the screen. Finger path object. The first step is to create a finger path object to represent a path draw and the finger on the screen. Our finger path class will have several fields: color of the path, enforce mode or no, blur mode or no, strike width of the path object from the standard SDK representing the path draw. The animations and types. Android animation is used to give the UI rich look and feel. Animation is Android app can be performed through the XML or Android code. XML codes for adding animation into our applications. Android animation. Android is the Android app. Animation in Android app is the process of creating motion and shape changes. For example, fade in animation, fade out animation, cross fading animations, blink animation, zoom in, zoom out, rotate, move, slide up, slide down, bounce animations, sequential animation, and together animations. We create resource directly under the res folder name anim to keep all the XML files containing the animation logic. Already we saw the res folder, that means resource folders details. In the folders, we have using a lot of folders. For animation purpose, we are using the animation folders. In animation folder, we have all the XML files for animation logic. Android.interpolator. It is the rate of change in animations. We can define our own interpolator using the time as a constraint. Android duration of the animations. To start and end of the animations is set using the from transformation and to transformations. The transformations that we want to specify, in our case, we start with an X and Y scale of 0 and end with an X and Y scale of 1. Android : fill after. Properties specify whether the view should be visible or hidden at the end of the animations. Stop offset. It is a waiting time before the animation start. Repeat mode. It's useful when you want to animation to be repeated. Repeat count. Number of repetitions on animations. Setting the animation listeners. The only needed if we wish to listen to even like start, end, and repeat. For this, the activity must implement an animation listeners, and the following methods need to be overwritten: on animation start, on animation end, and on animation repeat. Thank you.